Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Open your English practice book, page number 2. In our previous lecture, we did question number 1 on page number 1. So today we are going to do question number 2 on page number 2. First of all, mention the day Tuesday, 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 and the date is 23rd of June 2020. So the question is, make sentences with the following words. Here we have some words and we have to make meaningful sentences. First word is search. Search means to find something. So I wrote a sentence, my brother went to Canada in search of job. So it's up to you, you can make a meaningful sentence of your own choice. Next word is early. Early means before time. So I wrote a sentence, I go to bed early. Third one is found. Found means discovered by chance. I found a book under the chair. Next we have word touch. Touch means to contact. It means to come into contact with. So I wrote a sentence, I just touched a snake. And the last word is picking. Picking means detach or remove or choose something. So I wrote a sentence, the little birds are picking the food. So now it's up to you, you can make meaningful sentences of your own choice. This is enough for today, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.